Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create mobile data limit on OPPO A2x. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then on top select mobile network and go for data usage. Right here we can select data usage limit, and now we have three different options. First one is start calculating data usage from, and you can change when the reset for your data happens, let's say first day of the month. Then we have daily data usage limit that we can customize. Enter your limit right here, switch between megabytes and gigabytes, and there's option when data limit is reached. You will receive alert only or receive that alert, and also turn off your mobile data automatically. Then we have monthly data usage limit, and now we can do basically the same stuff. Only thing different is data warning that we can activate and put when we receive it. So for example, if I use 5 gigabytes of internet, I want to start receiving that mobile data warning. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.